How to fix reset this PC could not find the recovery environment in Windows. First step, check Windows recovery environment. Search for CMD, right click, click Run as Administrator and type the following text REAGENTC space /info. Check the status. If it is enabled means okay. If it's disabled means you need to type the following text REAGENTC space /enable. It's enabled. Exit it. Next step, check recovery partition. Search for disk management. Click it. Look for a recovery partition. It should be around 500 MB to 2 GB. If it's missing means Windows cannot use the built-in recovery. Make sure it. Next step, run system file checker. Search for CMD. Right click, click Run as Administrator and type the following text SFC space /scan now. Click enter. Wait for some times. It's scanning and verifying the files in your device. Once complete after, exit it. Next step, use advanced startup. Click settings. Click system settings. Scroll down. Click recovery settings. Click advanced startup. Click reset now. After resetting, select troubleshoot. Then reset this PC. If your recovery environment is available, then the reset should start.